BRM community, I'm delighted to spend time with you in our upcoming workshop, AI and BRM, a winning combination. As business relationship managers and digital professionals, you sit at the crossroads of people, technology, and strategy, where AI needs trusted guidance. I'm Ibrahim Jackson, fellow BRMP, and I'll be your guide and instructor in this 4-hour virtual workshop where we'll unpack how AI and emotional intelligence come together to create impact. Not just talk, not just theory, real-world tools, proven frameworks, and conversations that challenge the status quo. It's a business-first, people-powered approach to accelerating AI adoption and advocacy. You'll walk away with an AI advocacy playbook, a communication framework that you can use right away, and ethical AI guidelines to keep you grounded in what matters most: business value and human outcomes. Through hands-on breakouts and real-world examples, we'll explore how BRMs like you are already leading AI initiatives that stick by building trust, breaking down resistance, and translating technical potential into measurable results. You will learn and be in a position to lead. I know you're ready to champion AI with confidence, clarity, and purpose. This is your moment. Let's do this together, and I will see you there.